Everybody, it's Brandon Caldwell and we are back. This is what? Video number 3 of our 30 for 30 financial challenge. That's right, we're going to help 30 families over the next 30 days start their journeys to financial freedom. Now, I can't recap long, but in video number 1, I gave you 2 financial objectives that everyone in America should meet. Your current lifestyle, which is paid for by your labor, and your future lifestyle must be paid for by your investments. Remember, something has to work, just not you. At some point, you're going to get tired of working. At some point, you're not going to want to work. And at some point, you shouldn't have to work. But you have to have future investments in place so that one day you won't have to work. Now, in video number 2, that was about one of the 4 challenges that keep you from meeting your financial objectives. It was about inflation. Inflation is also known as the silent income killer. It just goes into your income and drops it down every single day. Why? Because in this country, it's called free enterprise. See, business owners can increase the cost of their goods and services whenever they feel like it. Now, that's not a bad thing. It's only a bad thing if your income is limited and you can't outpace inflation. Very few people calculate inflation when they try to get ahead of the curve financially, and it's something you must understand. That's something we teach you how to do. So today, in video number 3, we're talking about the second challenge. There are 4 challenges, remember? But we are talking about challenge number 2. Now, if inflation is the silent income killer, man, then guess what the chainsaw massacre is? Taxes. You know, a lot of people try to budget their way out of a financial mess, and you can't do it. You know why? The number 1 expense that you have is taxes. Let me give you an example. You make $50,000 a year. The government takes $18,000 off the top if you have a W-2. Then you take home $32,000. Now, where in the world are you seeing another $18,000 come off the top of your paycheck? Understand, $18,000 just went out the door before you even saw it. That's your biggest expense. It's your taxes. See, basically, guys, you work for the government on your W-2. Nothing wrong with a job, but you work for the government for 1/3 of the year because they take the first 1/3 of your check. See, when I learned that from January to April, I work for the United States government, that's when I said, oh, something has to change, because I realized that I can't keep working for my boss and the government. Now, I'm not telling you to quit your job, but what I am telling you is understand that the government has carved their way into your life with taxes. Now, let's be clear. This is not about tax evasion. This is about tax minimization. In other words, you already got property taxes. You got sales taxes. You got ad valorem taxes. You got liquor taxes. You've got state taxes. You've got federal taxes. You know, you've got all these taxes. But the one tax that you can control is your income tax. Why? Because it's your income. So what we do, guys, is real simple. We teach you strategies, not sales, not hype, but real strategies that wealthy people do, and they won't teach you in schools. So the key word for the day is taxes. Text the keyword taxes to me today at 678-355-8172. Let's minimize taxes and keep more money in your pocket. My number again is 678-355-8172. Now, if you already know these strategies, again, this text is not for you. We are helping 30 new families over the next 30 days to obtain financial freedom. Remember, guys, money talks, but wealth whispers. I look forward to hearing from you. Peace.